Okay, alrighty, we are live. So, as I think the last presentation before the lunch break, within a filled audience, as we like to see always, I'd love to present what we think we can do differently and which values we provide for our end customers at RobCo. My name is Roman, I'm one of the co-founders, and let me delve into this presentation. So before we start, we all know those kinds of systems, right? Large, heavy industrial machines used especially in automotive and large enterprises, which provide clear benefits to operating margins, to efficiency, and to productivity. What we haven't seen yet, though, is in a large scale the shift towards small and medium-sized enterprises. In fact, the statistics suggest that 90% of those companies have not used an automation solution whatsoever and are just in the process of building that up. And we target exactly those companies. So the poor guys that have to do night shifts, unloading and loading machines, to weld seams day in and day out, or to palletize parts that we can easily palletize with our solution, which is, by the way, just placed here with those beautiful aquamarine clamps. And the way we do that is by targeting the main challenges we see in the market. So first of all, the systems are still complex and still costly. And that, in fact, is mainly due to the large integration work, project work, that is incurred with a robot automation project. How we're going to solve that, I'll present in a bit. Secondly, we have inflexible static devices, which still need somewhat tech-affine or expert users to be programmed. And we have solutions that are far off from being cloud-connected, from being IoT-connected. And this is enough of a reason for us to delve into that space with an end-to-end solution, both on the hardware side and on the software side. So what we do is we have a hardware robot kit based on 3 different motor modules, as you can see here on the right side, with my beautiful colleagues Franzi, Marco and Jan. And we at the same time offer a software suite, a fully fledged software suite for robot configuration, programming and cloud connectivity. So without further ado, and before we all enjoy our well-deserved lunch break and coffee break afterwards, let me jump into the video, which I hope the colleagues in the back will put up. Perfect.
RobCo offers modular, software-based and patented industrial robots. Within moments of time, the robot is built up and ready to use. Flexible and handy, like a Swiss Army knife. For any type of manufacturing, RobCo's modularity allows the adaptation of payload and arm reach easily. Fast development and easy-to-use no-code RobFlow software. Repeatability of 0.1 millimeter. Our robots can be used for machine tanding lathe or milling machines, for laser machines, palletizing, and much more. RobCo provides automation solutions for small and medium-sized companies. An end-to-end offer that is easy, flexible, and cost-efficient. RobCo, made in Germany. Robots for everyone.
Thank you so much. So for everyone who wants to see the technology and also our beautiful artist live at the booth, please come by. Both the robot and Jan are present from RobCo. So let me delve into what we actually do differently. So first of all, it starts with the customer's application and how we basically set up that automation solution in a digital way. So we kind of work along the lines of providing a digital interface to pre-configure an automation solution. So say you as a customer have a palletizing solution, we take in that data based on a digital model and already pre-configure the appropriate robot based on our modules for that solution. If we then did that, we go on site. We always try to deploy in less than a day. So again, Jan and his colleagues will come by, will set up the appropriate robot based on our modules, and will also do the pre and then also continuous programming for you, if you wish. Otherwise, our customers do that themselves. We have a double-digit number of self-deployed customers already, because we think everyone can use an iPhone can also use our system. And then thirdly, if the system is in place, we do not start there, right? We stay connected. Every system is connected to the internet with an LTE modem. So I can right now pull out my phone and log on to our robots in Australia, in Poland, in northern Germany at the blink of an eye to see what they work on, what the cycle times are, if there are any yellow flags being raised that we have to work on. So we really think of the solution as an IoT device, which we basically keep on our platform during the lifetime. So what do we achieve by that for our customers? We have a very adaptable, flexible solution for the use cases, which is affordable. We also offer a rental or leasing option, and which can be reconfigured to fit your need, and which will always stay connected. We're never going to leave one of our robots alone. And then you wonder, I mean, we do have a very technical audience here, full audience. So let me delve into the technical specifications. What we basically do is we set up a digital twin based on the module data. So we connect our modules here on the left side. We then basically read out the chips, we read out the kinematic and dynamic data, build up the model, and then use the system instantaneously. And that really works at the blink of an eye. We programmed the full stack in C++. It's real-time capable, and it works no matter whether you use a 2 degree of freedom system, 7 degree of freedom system, 2 meters of reach, or 20 centimeters of reach, 20 kilo of payload, or only 500 grams. The way that technology works in the background, which is patented as well, is always the same and instantaneously sets up that specific solution for your use case. So we're all tech enthusiasts, right? But we also have to make money, not only on the capital markets, but also in terms of customers. So we're actually quite proud that we really focused on deploying solutions even before they were certified, even before they left the prototype stage, to work with selected customers. And now that we've finished the safety certification, we roll out the solution in a bigger amount. We actually deployed a high 3-digit number of modules in the field, and we always focus on 3 distinct criteria points to deploy those solutions quickly, with a compelling customer ROI, and in a discrete fashion. So we're not going to focus on heavy, complex processes, connected processes, but really discrete processes which we can basically deploy in less than a day. And we think, besides our technology, our team, our customer traction, our investor base, our safety certification, there are 3 strong macro trends which kind of set up a storm of automation in the future. Besides the labor shortage we all know of, multi-million number of unfilled jobs in the next couple of years, we also see a strong labor cost increase, and we just see day to day that manufacturing and logistics processes are being re-onshored from Asia back to Germany, back to Europe. So that for us are 3 strong proof points to kind of fuel the developments we've shown in the past, over the future, and in the long run. And thereby, I'd like to close. My name is Roman. If you'd like to talk to us, please come by at our booth just here, or shoot me an email, and happy to discuss further. Thanks so much.